Good morning. My name is Emmanuel Keller, application specialist with WEINMANN Emergency and also firefighter paramedic in the Metro Atlanta area. Today, I'm here to introduce you to the ACCUVAC Pro, our new device coming from WEINMANN Emergency to the US. As you can see here, it's very easy to use, very easy to read. You have in your display your power button. You have your 4 suction powers. You have your battery display, which is going to let you know exactly how much time you have left. When fully charged, this device can give you up to 60 minutes of continuous suctioning for the patient. You have your suction hose, which will attach to your canister and easily wrap around and easily stored for quick use and access. You also have the back of the device, an option where you're going to have your wall mount selection. If you do have that in the ambulance, you're going to be able to put your device in the wall mount, and of course easy access where you're able to press and release the device. In the US, we most commonly use your Yonker tip. So as soon as you unwind, you're able to easily connect, and now you're ready to go with the suctioning of the patient. Always remember that the canister is disposable, but the suction unit attached to the canister is not. So save those guys. And we're ready to go. Alright, and now guys, we're going to set up the ACCUVAC Pro and show you exactly how to use it during a airway management situation. We're going to connect your Yonker tip, and then of course we're going to turn it on. We're going to select the power, and we're going to get ready to suction the patient. Do it clear. Suction the patient for no more than 10 to 15 seconds, depending on your department's SOPs. And now you're ready for the next step in the airway management of the patient. And that is the conclusion on how to use the ACCUVAC Pro suction units by WEINMANN Emergencies. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.